Chobe National Park takes its name from the mighty Chobe River, which flows along its northern border, protecting this verdant oasis from the arid expanses of the Kalahari Desert. Covering some 12,000 square kilometers, the park offers an incredible variety of landscapes, from lush riverine vegetation to open plains and mopane forests. This diverse environment supports a rich biodiversity, making Chobe one of the best places in the world to observe wild wildlife. Elephants, buffalo, lions, leopards, and a myriad of bird species find their ideal habitat here. The Chobe River, with its abundant waters and breathtaking sunsets, is the beating heart of the park, attracting thirsty animals and offering visitors unforgettable views. Every visit to Chobe National Park is an immersion in the wilderness, an experience that leaves a lasting impression on the soul of those fortunate enough to explore its wonders. Imagine sailing silently along the banks of the Chobe River, while the late afternoon sun kisses the surrounding savanna. This was our unforgettable experience during the boat safari in the heart of Chobe National Park. This bird seems to dance in the magical light of the golden hour. It was a magical moment where nature itself seemed to paint a vivid and emotional picture, leaving an indelible imprint on our memories. As the sky turned orange and red, the Chobe River transformed into a golden sheet of water, reflecting the beauty of the world around it. This was my second experience of sailing the Chobe, and on both occasions we chose the late afternoon and were rewarded with spectacular sunsets. The boat that they reserved for us today is a large vessel and can only navigate the widest and deepest channels. A suggestion that I would give is to choose a small vessel that can also navigate the smaller channels, allowing you to get closer to the animals that go there to drink, preferring these small waterways to the main channel. This is a shot taken on my first navigation done with a small vessel. But even on this occasion, we can do nothing but admire the sumptuous spectacle that nature has reserved for us.